Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a delicious and hearty dish, Nigerian seafood okra soup. Here is our fresh okra. We are going to be chopping and blending part of it. I am using fresh catfish for this soup. You can use any other fresh fish of your choice, but today I would like to enjoy this soup with fresh catfish. Now I am going to add chopped onion, blended Uziza seed, seasoning powder, salt to taste, Scotch bonnet as much as you want, and we're going to add water and allow it to cook for some minutes. Let's say 5 to 10 minutes. It's good. For fish, we don't need to cook it for so long. It cooks really fast. So here we're adding our water and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes before adding our shrimps and octopus rings. I got these octopus rings from Reve. You can find them in other stores, but I got this one from Reve. Here I have added the octopus rings and I am adding the shrimps, and I'm going to let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, approximately. That should be fine. So now they are cooked for 2 to 3 minutes. I am going to now get them out so that they don't scatter when we put the okra and other ingredients. So here I am picking out the fish carefully, pick them out so that they don't scatter. Later we are going to reintroduce the fish and the octopus ring and the shrimps back into the soup at the end of it. But for now, we would have to pick them out carefully because they are cooked enough for this purpose. So here we go. After picking out everything, we just need to add more water. And after adding more water, we're going to introduce other ingredients. Here we are adding our palm oil and we're also adding our blended okra. You can cook the soup without blending part of the okra, that's okay. I like it this way. You could also give it a try. If you haven't tried it this way before, blending part of the okra, you should. I just added dried shrimps. And now I am adding the freshly chopped okra. Most people cook this seafood okra with just chopped okra. They don't add the blended one, but I have decided to do both blended and chopped. So you could give it a try. You could try it with blended and chop, and next time you try just chopped okra, then you will know the difference and decide to stick to the one that you prefer. So we are going to give it a good stir. Here I am adding periwinkles without the shell. Periwinkles, I like periwinkles in my soups, especially in my okra soup and egusi soup. Now we are reintroducing the fish back into the soup. The soup is almost ready, or I would say it's as good as ready. So reintroducing the fish, the cooked fish back into the soup. We are also going to reintroduce the shrimps and the octopus rings. They are all going to come in right now, and we are going to carefully stir everything together so that they can release their flavors into the soup. I mean, what is seafood okra without having all of this? If you are a big fan of snails, this is the right soup to add your snails to. Seafood okra soup and snails, perfect combination. So feel free to alter the recipe. It's okay. I am just not a big fan. That is why I did not add it to the soup. I love catfish a lot, so I decided to try it with catfish. Next time we'll use another type of fish. Stir carefully again, as I said, so that the fish will not scatter. So at this point, our soup is ready. We are going to dish our soup now and have it with pounded yam. You could also have it with semo, with eba, or whatever swallow of your choice. What swallow would you prefer to have this soup with? Leave your comments in the comment section. Some people like to have it with amala. I mean, amala and seafood okra. Yeah, yeah. For me, pounded yam. But what swallow are you going to be having it with? Trust me, this is a dish you would like to make again and again. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own okra soup experiences in the comments. See you next time.